Looking for a remote side hustle that requires no experience to start and only with a keyboard? Look no further. Picture earning $68.30 in just 30 minutes by typing CAPTCHAs. It's that simple. Input characters on your screen for a significant income boost. The best part? You can do this from anywhere globally, whether you're a student, professional, stay-at-home parent, or anyone seeking extra income. Join us in the upcoming discussion as we unveil this novel method to earn money online. Stay tuned for immediate steps to kickstart your journey into this creative and lucrative income stream. Exploring the practical aspects of online earning, let's discuss CAPTCHA.com, an app and website that provides a solid entry point for those looking to supplement their income. While it may not have the highest payout rates, later on, I'll introduce an alternative claiming the top spot in terms of remuneration. Throughout this exploration, we'll transition from platforms with modest returns to those offering more lucrative prospects. Now, let's examine the advantages of CAPTCHA.com. This platform offers a direct opportunity to earn by solving CAPTCHAs, with compensation starting at a reasonable $1 for every 1,000 CAPTCHAs successfully solved. The reasoning behind this compensation is rooted in the dependence of numerous businesses on computer operations. However, machines grapple with the nuanced complexities of CAPTCHAs, creating a demand for human intervention. The attractiveness of this opportunity lies in its simplicity. No prior experience or specialized skills are required to embark on your journey with CAPTCHA.com. The demand for CAPTCHA solving arises from various computer-dependent enterprises seeking human assistance. By providing this service, you contribute to the efficiency of these operations and gain access to a straightforward avenue for receiving prompt payments. This presents an appealing opportunity for those seeking an accessible entry point into the realm of online income. Let's explore the different levels of online earning possibilities, uncovering practical opportunities along the way. Now, shift your focus to the next platform on our roster. At megatypers.com, where the mantra is easy job, easy money, you can expect payments exceeding $200 monthly just by typing CAPTCHAs. This platform has established its credibility, boasting a worldwide community of individuals collaborating to tackle CAPTCHAs. As it secures the position of the second highest paying website on our list, stay tuned before we delve into the third and top paying platform. Before we explore our top choice, let me introduce you to something intriguing: Pawns.app. This platform presents opportunities to earn extra cash globally, and it's inclusive to everyone. The concept is straightforward. You can make money by engaging in quick and concise surveys. These surveys are remarkably brief, enabling you to complete as many as you desire, with each one translating into a crisp dollar in your pocket. Adding to its appeal is the low cash-out threshold of only $5. Furthermore, you enjoy flexibility in your payout options, whether you prefer PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards. Browsing through a couple of surveys on Pawns.app enables you to contribute your insights on topics relevant to different companies, establishing a mutually beneficial scenario. They acquire valuable perspectives, and in return, you are compensated for your time and insights, irrespective of your age group or interests. Pawns.app guarantees the availability of a survey for every individual. Whether in finance, pets, tech, or even political views, it's a mutually beneficial situation, highlighting the universal opportunities available to everyone. Now, let's shift our focus to the leading contender in our lineup. CAPTCHA.com, recognized as the highest-paying website, is presented as a reliable employment opportunity accessible to individuals worldwide. Since 2007, this platform has consistently fulfilled its commitment. The widespread accessibility of CAPTCHA.com highlights its global reach, ensuring that individuals from diverse corners of the world can participate in its offerings. A notable characteristic of this website is its steadfast dedication and precision in monitoring user progress and ensuring punctual payments. The incorporation of a meticulous statistical system emphasizes their commitment to transparency and efficiency. Notably, users enjoy the advantage of swift payouts facilitated through a range of payment options, enhancing the convenience of the platform. As you delve deeper into the website, evidence of its reliability emerges through testimonials from users worldwide who express their contentment with the earning opportunities and user-friendly interface of CAPTCHA.com. While highlighting the positives, it's crucial to recognize that Similar to any online earning platform, the potential drawback is that the generated income may not consistently meet one's high expectations. Nevertheless, the abundance of positive testimonials and the website's enduring presence in the industry indicate that, despite this consideration, CAPTCHA remains a reputable and reliable avenue for individuals seeking financial gains through online activities. As we analyze the intricacies of this platform, it becomes clear that the convergence of stability, global accessibility, and user satisfaction sets CAPTCHA apart in a league of its own within the domain of online earning opportunities. In summary, our exploration of online earning opportunities has revealed a tiered approach, commencing with CAPTCHA.com, a user-friendly platform that provides straightforward earnings through CAPTCHA solving. Transitioning to megatypers.com, we delved into the potential of earning over $200 monthly by typing CAPTCHAs, underscoring its credibility in global community. Pawns.app has emerged as an inclusive platform, enabling users to accrue cash through brief surveys, featuring a low cash-out threshold and flexible payout options. At our ultimate destination, CAPTCHA.com distinguished itself as the top-paying website, emphasizing stability, global accessibility, and user satisfaction since 2007. The platform's dedication to precision, instant payouts, and positive testimonials solidify its reputation as a trustworthy option for individuals seeking reliable online income. Whether you begin with the simplicity of CAPTCHA.com, typing CAPTCHAs on megatypers.com, participating in surveys on Pawns.app, or aspiring for higher earnings with CAPTCHA.com, these platforms provide a range of opportunities for users to make money online. At every stage, there is a distinctive pathway designed to accommodate different preferences and skill levels. As you commence your journey towards earning online, carefully evaluate the advantages of each platform and identify the one that aligns with your objectives, offering a pragmatic and easily accessible way to enhance your income. That concludes today's presentation. If you found value and enjoyment in this video, kindly show your support by giving us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming videos. Once more, this is Ideas from Chaos. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.